At its last sitting, the Apex Court had reserved judgment in an appeal filed by the All Progressive Congress challenging the jurisdiction of the Bori High Court in Rivers State to hear a suit filed by some aggrieved members of the party and urged the court to evoke Section 22 of the Supreme Court Act to set aside the decision of the court. Counsel to the APC, Latif Fagbemi, had argued that the suit was not a pre-election matter. His contention was that those who instituted the suit had no locus standi to have done so because they were not aspirants for the primaries. Mr. Ibrahim Umar and 22 others had filed the suit to challenge their unlawful exclusion by a faction of the APC from participating in the Congress of the party designed to produce delegates for the primary elections. The Supreme Court, however, in its judgment, insists that the matter is a pre-election matter and that the said appeal was filed out of time. As such, it is dismissed. Delivering ruling in 3 other related appeals involving Mr. Toye Cole, who was elected at the said primaries, Justice Amina Augie struck out the 3 consolidated appeals on the ground that the appellants have no legs to stand upon. Justice Augie said from the available records of the court, the appellants were not parties at the trial court as well as the Court of Appeal, and as such cannot get remedy from the Supreme Court.
The Supreme Court, by the judgments delivered in 4 appeals today, have confirmed the inviolability of the judgment of the High Court of Rivers State, rendered on 10th day of October 2018, in suit number BHC/78/2018.
I think that the court, in its wisdom, has done what they think best in the circumstance. You agree with me that the court premised their ruling in the consolidated appeals. They premised their ruling on the earlier judgment delivered this morning.
The Apex Court has laid to rest the controversies surrounding the order of the Bori High Court, which barred the APC from conducting a convention and primaries in Rivers State. Amaka Okafor, Channels Television News.